Hi and welcome to another Blender modifier video. So in this video we're going to do the Meld Modifier. So it's pretty simple. I thought it was a little different, like let's say you had like one object and you create another object within the edit, and then like instead of like what do you call it? Oh yeah, let me show you what I thought it was, and then we'll show you what it is. So Shift A, and let's see, UV sphere. We're gonna do tab edit mode. We're gonna delete this vertice, okay, and then Shift A, Shift D. We're gonna create another one, right? Then R. Let's see, X. Yeah, 180. And then GC. Oh. GC. Oh, okay. It's Shifty. Then GC. What's going on? Oh. Yeah, Shifty. And then GC. All right, we'll just go with this. All right, then R X 180, then C, oh sorry, GC, put it up here, then GX, put here. So what I thought would happen is that it would take into account the, what do you call it, the vertices between like two objects or between these two, and then like combine them automatically. But yeah, that's not what the weld modifier does. It actually does the following. So X-ray mode, we have to actually create vertice groups for this. So we're going to create a vertice group from this. Here, assign, deselect, select, so you make sure it was properly assigned. And then we're going to go to the modifier group. Let's take this X-ray mode out and add the weld modifier. Select the vertex group you just made, and then as you increase the distance, it will start changing things up. It'll start welding the vertices that are here for this object. Yeah, that's literally what it does, unfortunately. It does not weld these things together, but maybe I haven't tried correctly. So let's give it a try, since we have quite a bit of time. All right, and then tab object mode, apply it, tab edit mode, and see, yeah, it just welded this parts. Okay, so now we're in edit mode. Let's go X-ray mode, and we're gonna add these vertices. See, let's get rid of those. Okay, so it's just these edge loops. These edge vertices right here. We're gonna add the mask, the weld modifier, and we have to create a group first. Yeah, assign, select over here, weld, and then let's select group 1, right? And then exit out of this X-ray mode, and let's see what happens as we increase the distance. So, oh God, I wasn't crazy. It does work like that too. It can weld pieces. All right, nice. All right, well, we learned something new. I was thinking about I was thinking this was partly how it worked, because I thought like, hey, we created like a what do you call it? Like, let's say a watch on top of a hand, and it's empty in the middle, and we don't want to just like fill it up with face there. We just kind of want to melt it. So yeah, this works out awesome. Yay, we learned something new. All right, let's tab object mode, and let's apply it and let's see how well it is. So go to edit mode. Yeah, it melted all these ones together. I mean, the geometry here isn't great, but it did what we wanted it to do, and it melded two objects. Just you have to be in edit mode and create the other part you want there. All right. Yeah. Great job, guys. All right. Thanks for listening. Until next time.